Here I have MGMS6 and let me show you how to scan for local and distant radio station on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find and select the music menu right here. So this is this widget, the second widget from the left. And now let's here go to the radio section, so the first section from the following menu, and choose here settings. Now let's switch from the AB to FM, and here if you scroll down, you've got extended other networks. So this settings configures how sensitive your car antenna is when searching for radio station. Selecting LO, so local, local tunes into only the closest, strongest nearby station to avoid static. Selecting distance, so this DX, maximizes the antenna range, allowing it to pull it in weaker, far away radio signals from outside your town. So I like to use this distance feature, so DX, let me leave it like that, but it depends on your preferences. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.